Have you ever heard of the Thai Monkey Buffet Festival? Picture this, a majestic ancient temple in Lopburi, Thailand, swarmed by thousands of cheeky macaques eagerly awaiting their annual feast. Held every November, this unique event sees locals preparing an extravagant buffet of fruits, vegetables, and sweets, mountains of watermelon, pineapple, and sticky rice, offered to honor the monkeys, believed to bring good fortune. As the sun rises, the air buzzes with anticipation, and the temple grounds transform into a chaotic yet mesmerizing spectacle. The monkeys, undeterred by the crowd, dive into their feast with unrestrained glee, embodying a sense of freedom and joy. This unusual celebration not only highlights the harmonious coexistence between humans and wildlife but also serves as a reminder of the deep-seated cultural traditions that shape our world in the most unexpected ways.